Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at this interesting question. So here says that Chen Ye could pack some pens into bags of 8 or 12 with no remainder. When she packed the pens in bags of 10, she needed 4 more pens. What was the smallest possible number of pens that Chen Ye had? Now, let's look at some of the keywords here. Chen Ye could pack some pens into bags of 8 or 12 with no remainder. Now, this word, 8 or 12 with no remainder, this hint you that it should be a multiple of 8 or 12. Again, repeat, if I have a stack of pen, I can pack into either bags of 8 or 12. Means that 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 or 12, 12, 12, 12 means that it should be a multiple of 8 or 12. So to make it easier, I will actually find the LCM. What is the LCM of 8 and 12? Okay. I mean, of course, we can straight away find out the answer. That's good. But if you are not that skillful yet at this stage, you can list down as usual. You can say 8, 16, 24, blah, blah, blah. 12 is what? 12 is start with 12. 12, 24, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Because again, the worst means the first number that you see is the same. So it's 24, right? So I know it's 24. Okay. And again, I told you is what? It's the multiple of 8 or 12. Means that the answer is not 24. Okay. It can be 24. It can be what? 48. It can be what? 72, 96, and blah, 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 blah. Again, this is actually the multiple. Then why am I looking for LCM again? Is to help me to just duplicate here easier. I mean, of course, I can list out everything here, right? But it will be too long for me to list out. Okay, so this is the multiple. 24, 48, 72, 96. Now, the keyword or the main point comes here. Okay, look at here. When she packed the pens, again, same number of pens, which I don't know how many, in bags of 10, she needed 4 more pens. What does this statement actually tell you? When she packed in bags of 10, she needs 4 more pens. Means that the number that we are looking for now, all these numbers, it should be multiple of 10. But again, she needs 4 more pens, right? Means that does she have enough? No. But 4 less. Again, she packed the pens in bags of 10, but 4 more pens. She needed 4 more pens. Means that she has 4 pens lesser than what is expected. So if you look at here, which number is actually multiple of 10 but 4 less? Okay, multiple of 10 basically means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or even more lah. So if you look at this statement carefully, you will be able to guess it's actually 96. Teacher, why? Because multiple of 10 but 4 less. This is exactly right. 100 minus 4 is 96. Multiple of 10 but 4 less. That's why she needed 4 more pens to put in a bag of 10. Get idea? Again, she has 96. That's why she needs 4 more pens to become 100 so that it can be divided into bags of 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 like this. Okay? And the answer is 96. A bit tricky, but yes, that is the answer. And perhaps that is just the smallest possible number. Why smallest? Again, this number still can goes on, right? Plus 24, and goes on to be a big, big, big number. But of course, we don't have time to do that. And the question requested the smallest so that you can find the answer. Okay, good. I think it's simple. Not that simple, actually. Might be a bit challenging to some of you. Anyway, a good question, try out. And perhaps if you want to get to know this question better, you can try the next question at question 20 with Yu Fei had some cuts. That If you're able to do that question, means you understand the style of these two questions. Okay, and that's it. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.